again, this week what we're going to be doing in writing is animal classifications. So you have paper in your hand, and the reason you have paper in your hand is because we're about to learn about these 4 different classifications of animals. So let's look. This one is mammals. We have birds, insects, and amphibians. So these might be things that you have already heard about or seen in nature. But what we're going to do is we're going to identify based on these videos are like, this one right here is like 1 minute and 5 seconds. So it's a very short clip. It just teaches you real quick what mammals are, or what insects are, what amphibians are, what birds are. And it helps you identify the characteristics, what to look for in order to tell that it's a mammal or an amphibian or a bird, okay? So our science standard that we're going to cover is determine the sequence of life cycles of common animals in your area. A mammal, a bird, an amphibian, and an insect. So what you guys are going to do this week is you're going to have your paper and you're going to do your own research, okay? Okay, sir. Turn your body this way, please. So what you're going to do this week is you're going to get this paper right here, and it has the different stages of a life cycle of whatever animal you choose. So after we learn what these 4 classifications are, you're going to choose whatever animal that you want to research, okay? And then you're going to teach us, this is our last informational writing that we're doing, so you're going to teach us about your animal, okay? But it has to fit in one of these 4 categories, okay? So that's kind of what we're going to do now is we're going to watch these videos that are about 1 minute or so long. The reason you have a piece of paper and a pencil is because you're taking notes. Because after we watch the videos, then what we're going to do is I'm going to have different people come up here and write something that you learned about each of these to help us identify what classification your animal is going to be. Okay? Yes, you will need to put these on your board, so we'll go ahead and we'll do that. If you take your paper and you fold it in 4s, alright, fold it in half, like this, and make it creased like this. It's going to give you 4 different areas that you can write in. And fold it in half one more time. See how I did that, Casey? So half and half. So you'll have to crease the long side first in order to fold it again. Because then when you open it up, you have your 4 different areas right here. So go ahead, and after you open it up, you're ready to write at the top of yours mammals, birds, insects, and amphibians, because you're going to take notes. When something important comes up that helps you identify what a mammal is or what a bird is, we're going to jot the notes down. That way we can put them up here and have this as a reference. Because you might think that amphibians are more interesting than birds are, so you might want to choose an amphibian based on what we learned about the characteristics of each one of them, okay?